Tattoo Especial. Top producers combined with dam line of Especial. The dam line of Tattoo Especial traces in the fourth generation back to Erik van der Vleuten's Grand Prix and World Cup winning mare Especial. Dam or Lily Especial was crowned champion of Limburg at the mare inspections, and Grand Dam, also a special, has competed at international 1m50-160 level with Marlin Palmer. This direct dam line has produced international 150 level horses like B Special and Especial 2. Listed as the sire is the Olympic stallion Emerald van Reutershof, who has already produced a number of Grand Prix show jumpers, including Nika van der Bisschop, Emerald van Voorhof, Igor and Kasper van het Hellehof.